Good morning, guys. How we doing? Let's go over Cardano here. Sorry, I don't know why I'm laughing. I was just doing something on the charts. It just like made me laugh for some reason. Anyways, all right, some breaking news for you guys for Cardano. Actually, really good news for Cardano today. And then we're going to go over the long and short trades for the crypto market for Bitcoin as a whole, what the whales are doing. And this might be actually kind of shocking to you guys. You know, are we going to keep heading up here? We might, but I'm more so expecting probably about a 20 to 21% drop in the market. That's not just me throwing numbers out there. That's using real statistic and volume data. So guys, let's start with some breaking news here. This is pretty cool. Top analysts selling Ethereum to buy Cardano. Now, this is just one analyst, so just bearing this in mind, but it is a trending article here today. Updates crypto outlook remainder for 2021. All right, let's go down here. First of all, let's take a quick little pit stop here. Who is this guy? His name is Capo, and he has 36,000 Twitter followers, or excuse me, 36,000 followers. Not much, but it's a trending article, and I want to come out here and show this to you guys. The next article I show you after this is more confidence than this, but I want to cover it because it is trending out there. Looking at Cardano ADA, Capo says that his fifth largest crypto asset is looking very good, that he's unloading all of his Ethereum, not some, he's unloading all of his Ethereum holdings to buy ADA. Selling the rest of my ETH for ADA, it's one of the best looking majors. Cool. Awesome. Well, that's great. And this is more of a personal opinion that I wanted to cover, but here's actually a better metric that gives me confidence that we are going to start heading up, or maybe not confidence that we're going to head up, but confidence that the community as a whole is still bullish on Cardano. Cardano hits new milestone, surpassing, this is insane, 650,000 staking addresses. All right, let me explain this real quick while you guys check out this bull lifting some weights here. Staking addresses. The way that I interpret this, staking is basically taking your tokens and putting it on exchange where you can stake it and you can earn percentage per annum. Let's say it's between 4 to 6% per year. Some are more, okay? Basically, you put your money there to earn interest per year. But you can also lose some of your Cardano based off of the current price of Cardano. So yes, you're gaining per year, but you can also lose some. The value of your Cardano can go down and go up based off of the value of Cardano. Does that make sense? So if you're staking and you're making, let's say it's 6% a year, I'm just pulling out a random number here, and your value drops, well, that's kind of offsetting itself and it's not really looking too good. But if we see basically a milestone here hits a new high of 650,000 staking addresses, this tells me that the overall retail trader consumer is very bullish on Cardano and that they expect their money to be valued more over the years to come, okay? That's how I'm interpreting that, and I think that's a good way of looking at that, and it gives us a lot of confidence, gives me confidence that we could start seeing ADA just be stronger as a whole, as a community, okay? I'm not gonna go too much more in that because I wanna actually look at what the whales are doing. Yes, this is positive news, and it's great, but I've seen fundamentals get crushed based off what the whales are doing. So that's what we need to be looking at. All right, guys, tradeconfident.io every morning. Check out these top ones in the star here. I am going to be charging monthly for this soon. If you guys are just following this, you are saving yourself like literally tens of thousands depending on the amount of money you guys have. Quickly taking a look here, the long versus short trades. The short trades have dropped out drastically over the weekend. We saw a 16% drop in Bitcoin here when we saw the short trades get up to the top, and we're starting to see a little bit of climb back up. Very nice. Long trades are coming back into the market, closely hitting an all-time high here, and short trades are dropping off. This is bullish, but hold on. Not all of this is bullish news. It might be tricky for you guys to interpret this, but we're going to make it clear as day. Neutral here as far as the emotions in the market. People are like, oh, cool, I bought in. I'm basically neutral here. We're a little consolidation zone on Bitcoin. Even though you guys are in ADA, you're like, okay, we made it through the drop. We got a rise. We made it through the drop. Okay, we're sitting break even. Even everybody trading with me, like my portfolio, like, guys, you realize this is my live trade right here. I hope you guys realize that. Like, I was down $1,300 last Thursday. Now I'm down about $160 right now. Okay, like these are literally my live trades that you see right here that I call out. I'm like so close to getting into the profit here. I'm looking to take 10% profit on this structure high here, and I'm looking to get right back in when that happens, and I'll update you guys over at tradeconfident.io. So make sure you guys, if you want to follow live trades on YouTube here, subscribe, and then make sure you guys go over to the live trade section in the front here, and I'll update you guys with that. Let's keep going here. Death cross is currently still active on Bitcoin, which is considered the market as a whole. We're still in a death cross. CNN, Fox News, a lot of them are reporting on that. They are correct. Okay, long versus short trade risk is still neutral. if you guys are asking me, if I had someone come to me today and say, hey, Travis, what's the best trades to take today? I'd be like, nothing. Sit on your hands. Not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. But seriously, guys, it's not a great place to look to take long trades. I covered this in the last video. Last time we were neutral up here, people were like, okay, I'm going to go long. Okay, you guys went long and then the price dropped out and, you guys basically like lost all the gains here and went back into the negative. And then people are here like, okay, we're in a downtrend. Momentum's going down. I'm going to short. Oh no, it headed back up. It's like very emotionally negatively stimulating if you guys are not following this simple chart that tells you where all the favor lies. I used to call this trades in favor, but I'm calling it long and short trade risk now. Basically, if you want to take a long trade, based off this, guys, I would just wait until you're down to the good long trade or a great long trade section. Your chances of your long trades reversing on you and losing money drastically go down. And I'm giving it all to you guys right here. The well support and resistance, the greatest resistance we have is in here at 37,000 for Bitcoin, which for ADA, I believe actually correlates very close to $1.50 for ADA as you move over the correlation from Bitcoin to Cardano here, okay? Sorry, I don't know if I'm talking away from the microphone. Let me get a little closer here. So let's take a look at this last metric that it might be surprising to you guys. I just came out with a video of Dogecoin where last time we saw the selling pressure, we dropped 21% for Dogecoin and 25% for Ethereum. Take a look at this. Over the weekend, we saw a lot of buying pressure in here. We saw shorts take over, but guess what the whales did? They came and they bought straight back up and they drove the price up and they're making a ton of money. If you guys want to trade with the whales, if you want to be on the right side of the market, I'm telling you, watch these charts every morning. When you see big buy volume in here and long trades spiking up through the roof like they have in the past, like this is a great time to buy, okay? Like this is very self-explanatory if you guys are just watching this well-versed the institutional trades here. What's happening right now? Well, we're seeing a pretty big accumulation of short trades in the market. Last time we saw this was on June 3rd to June 4th, all right? June 3rd to June 4th is right over here around this section. So June 3rd, let's pull it where we are. June 3rd, June 4th. Okay, right around this area. Let me just check here. This is June 3rd, June 4th. Yes, June 3rd. So over here at June 3rd, when we saw this last time, we actually saw a drop in Dogecoin. I mean, the nice drop down here is about around 20%, which actually correlates literally perfectly to around where Ethereum and also Dogecoin landed. 25 to 21%. I'm going to call this just 21% on this because that's what's closest on here. If you guys pull the metrics and you look over here on the 4th, let's take a look at this candle wick right here on the 3rd and the 4th. Right around here, I would say structure low before we saw a nice move back up. It's about 18.75. Okay, let's keep it clear on here. Let's call this 18%. All right. So could we be seeing an 18% move back down? Well, obviously that's not just me throwing numbers out there. We are seeing that in here. Now, I actually see a case here where we could drop possibly lower than 18%, but the thumbnail and all that, I'll keep it 18 because that's an honest assessment from past data. If we start seeing the sell pressure increase in here and actually the short trades drop out even lower like we've seen back here, this could be massive drops in the market, which could push us far lower than 18% for ADA here, okay? So an 18% drop, let's correlate that to the current price. 18% drop could be pushing us down to around $1.15. If we get more selling pressure in the market, $1 is not an unrealistic thing to head back down to. Now, I don't want it to go to $1. I'm not spreading FUD here. I'm using real metrics here. I want it to go up. I want to make some money, guys. I want to take some profit out and go save up for my next vacation. Me and my wife just got back from Pismo Beach. I love that place. I want to move to Pismo Beach now, and I'm saving up for my next vacation literally live with you guys by trading cryptocurrency on this YouTube channel. So if you guys like that, come along and join with me. So the trend dashboard here, we're going to go over these three indicators. We're going to end the video. Looking very bullish. The RSI, stochastic, MACD 50 and 100 MAs are bullish. This tells me what retail traders are doing. Structure high here. Look at that double top, possibly a move back down. Let's watch that. A lot of retail traders looking to go long. Price versus the well money flow is at the top here, looking to peak and possibly start moving back down. This does correlate over here positively with, hey, short trades. Big institutions are coming out in the market and they are shorting this. Okay, I'm letting you guys know. Institutions and whales are shorting this right now. Can the pressure get more intensive? Yes, it can, but they are not buying right now. I want to make this very clear, guys. Institutions are not buying right now. A lot of you guys are going to be looking at this and you're going to be like, oh my gosh, it's going up, it's going up. I want to get on so I do not miss out on these gains going up. All right, I'm unbiased about this. Look at the chart. Historically, this is showing us that shorting pressures in the market. So I am personally expecting a drop based off past history. Yes, it can manipulate and it can change and it can move from day to day, but that's why you guys need to be watching this chart. But from a perspective of money flow and trend flow, and also just straight trade volume data, on-chain metrics, we are looking for a possible drop in here. The trend exhaustion, the white line shows the trend. We have already peaked out here and we are starting to move down. This is a negative correlation. When you see price starting to move up while the trend is showing pressure moving back down, this is a greater sign that we could see a move back down. So yes, we could see a pump up here a little bit, maybe even tag the top of our, sell limit up here, but I am expecting to see a correction back down here based off strict volume data that you can't fake with news or anything else. All right, guys. So God bless you. Have a good one. I'll keep these videos coming. The trend dashboard, the price versus the wealth money flow, the trend exhaustion. If you guys like these and you want them on your chart, go ahead and get them. They're in the description of the YouTube video, and I will be raising the prices here literally in 3 days. I'll send an email out to you guys who are on the website, tradeconfident.io, but I will be raising them. I'll be raising them probably close to around $50 a piece. So you guys save yourself some money right now and do that. They're drastically underpriced. And then make sure you guys are following the live trades over here at tradeconfident.io. I am doing some maintenance on the website this morning. I promise you guys this is up. When you get over there, it will be looking fantastic. I promise you, okay? So that's what I've got for you guys. Watch for that drop in here, maybe around 18% is what I'm looking for. And again, just to wrap this up here, 18% is probably going to look at about, I would say $1.15. So $1.15 drop, about an 18% drop is what we could be seeing in here. It is very clear in here, if you guys are looking at the volume flow, that we could be heading down here because the short trades are taking over drastically, okay? So make sure you guys are watching this every single morning at tradeconfident.io. I've been doing a lot of updates on the site, and a lot of things are refreshing right now. I have some crazy good news coming for you guys based off tradeconfident.io and the charts here, so don't miss that in the next few days as I come out with that. A lot of updates have been going on, so that's what you're seeing happening with the site here. Literally, I'm working on this right now. Stay tuned. Really good news coming. I'll see you guys in the next video. Best of luck, and I'll keep you updated with the trade. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.